All right, so we've got our tile in. It's been a day, and we still got to grout it. Here, you can see. Here's the difference. Here's grout. There's no grout because that was a new tile, and that's a new tile. So we've got to get that done. And so we're cleaning out the area here, and just got a little blade kind of digging through there. So we're going to mix up the grout. This is Poly Blend, America's #1 grout. It's non-sanded grout.
Give me a plastic.
We're going to need a plastic thing.
Cup.
A measuring. Oh, who put that there? All right, let's get this thing here. I'm going to give her this one here. I think that's going to work.
Too big, but whatever.
She says it's too big. I can't do anything right, so I'll just find one that's smaller. Is that going to work?
I need a bigger one.
You need. So I took 3 tries, like in baseball. There you go. All right, here we go. Dig in. Get that good stuff out of there. That is not cocaine. All right, here we go. We're gonna do 1. How many are you gonna put in there? 2. This is not the way I did grout.
How did you do it?
I had a bucket and I mixed it with a big giant mixer, just like we did the fence set.
I don't need a big giant mixer.
Are you? Oh, you're just gonna. I know what you're gonna do. You're not gonna smush it all over the place. You're just gonna push it into the
I was
face.
going to push it in as much as I could, yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna get a little water.
Do I need to... Did I have to mash up the rocks? I didn't think so.
You might have to mash those rocks up. Folks, don't try this at home. It's for scraping your thing. What? What do you do? It's gonna ruin that thing. It's gonna have concrete in it.
Can't put it in there.
Don't rinse that down the drain.
Honey, it'll be all over.
It's concrete. Oh my God.
Water. It stays wet.
No, it's concrete and it'll get hard inside the pipes, and the next thing you know, Bob's the millionaire. Or Jeb. Or Jed. Beverly Hillbillies. And we're not gonna, we'll rinse this outside, not down the drain, please. I think you're almost ready. Just need to do about 17 more things of it. While she's doing that, I'm going to show you the name of this stuff. That's it right there. For grout joints up to 1/8 of an inch, which is what we have. Maybe 1/8 of an inch. I don't think we have that much. If you want more information on how to do it, you guys can screenshot this. Do you have a little sponge to sponge it in?
Shove it in with this.
What you do is then you want to roll over it with a sponge to make it nice and smooth.
I know that.
Now I think we could even use one of those sponges that you have for like down here, like this.
Yeah, that's a...
You know?
I mean, I have the other ones over there.
Let me see how you got it. It looks pretty good.
I don't... It's too,
Oh, it's still. Maybe you need a little more water in there.
No, you want it thicker than icing. I just didn't know if I had to mash all this.
The only trouble is it's going to start to set up. So you've got a timeline here.
Yeah, but
I think that's
really
looking good.
grainy.
Still too grainy?
I think it's too grainy.
That's why we need
Did
to
it say anything about...
mix it with a mixer. We got a couple sponges. And let's start right here.
Watch out. Oh.
Okay, so this is a different method that we usually use. Seeing that we're not really professionals. We're just gonna smush it right in. just like that. And then we need a little bucket of water.
Huh?
We need a bucket of water with our sponges. Should take forever at this rate.
Well, I have these to do, and I don't want
So to get the excess off, you just use that sponge.
Yeah, I know. I just want to make sure I didn't miss any holes.
You're looking good. You just got to keep rolling. You're about halfway through on this one. That's it. That's it. Look how nice that looks. You did a better grout job than the other grout job.
I don't know if I should have stuck it in there, you know? Although that doesn't really get in there.
No, you can't. You're doing, what you're doing is perfect. Just smush it in. Just like that. It's gonna work great. Looking good. I wonder if we should have done that one over there first so we wouldn't have to nail it.
I forgot. I was coming this way, but I forgot that I need to do this one, so I'll do that one.
You can still reach it. Cleaning the sponges, getting them ready for the next groutage. Smush it right in
I
there.
actually kind of had to go the other direction, but
This is the hard part, getting underneath there.
you know what? I can take this out.
And so we pulled this little piece out so we could get in there and really grout it up. It's only 1 in the morning, but she's very industrious. My honey at 1 o'clock in the morning, just grouting some tile.
No, it's not. Huh?
11:30.
Oh, shit. It ain't nothing.
We may be able to get one episode of Motherland in.
Yeah.
So let's take a look and see how we did. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty grouty. Let's get a close look at her. Yep, grouted all the way up. Looking sweet. Takes 16 hours for this stuff to cure, so don't walk on it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Check out our other awesome videos on how to do stuff at home. Okay, we're looking good. Got it all grouted. Wiped it down with a sponge and ready to go. Now I just gotta put those doors back on.